Hi, this is Mark Frechette from Georgetown County Schools, and one of the awesome tools that we have here in Georgetown County School District is called ClassLink. And ClassLink is our single sign-on, and with that, it allows students to go ahead and log into one place and access all of their accounts. Teachers also have access to ClassLink, and if you're listening to this and watching it right now, I'm assuming as a teacher, you've used your ClassLink. And I want to talk more importantly or more specifically today about ClassLink QuickCards. QuickCards are basically a QR code sign-in that allows students to go ahead and at the login, they can scan that QR code and it'll take them right into their ClassLink account, which will allow them into all of their other accounts. For our primary students, this will save a lot of instructional time. Especially for those signing in on Chromebooks, because they can just go ahead and open their district Chromebook, click that next button and scan their QR code, and they will be logged into everything. So a couple things about the QuickCards is, one, here in Georgetown County School District, we typically only use these for pre-K through 2 students, and quite honestly, our second grade students and even our first grade students start to understand how to sign into ClassLink as they get more skilled throughout the year. However, those QuickCards again are mainly used in pre-K through 2. Would not use those in any older grades unless there was a learning difference where a student needed that QuickCard to help them sign in. So again, a couple quick things about these cards. One, in order for these to be accessible and to be used, all students will need a one-time initial login inside of ClassLink in order to authenticate their QuickCard. So again, this has been done in the past where students would go ahead and they might log in on their first day and log into ClassLink, and then the teachers will have those QuickCards authenticated and they can print them. Other times, teachers wanted to go ahead and have these already prepared. So teachers can actually go ahead and they can have a list of their student usernames and passwords, and they can just log in as each one of their students. And a lot of times it's as simple as copying and pasting and then logging back out of ClassLink. Once it's done one time, those ClassLink QuickCards will be authenticated, meaning they'll be able to be used. So again, it's only for first-time users. So if kindergarten students last year went ahead and they signed in and used ClassLink one time or 2 times, they will not have to do this all over again. They're already authenticated. So I'm going to walk you through the process, and just for privacy reasons, I'm going to actually do this via a print screen today instead of a live travel, I guess, via the web. And that's just because, again, for confidentiality. So you'll notice that if I go to this ClassLink GCSD sign-in page, I'm going to go ahead and see a username and password and sign in with Google. So teachers, the first step you're going to need to do is you're going to have to sign in to ClassLink as a teacher. Once you sign in as a teacher, you will see this Class QuickCards app. Go ahead and click on that Class QuickCards app. Once you click on that, you'll notice that you'll see your managed classes. And so what you'll do is you'll find your homeroom. On this, I'm going to show you, I have a full day kindergarten homeroom listed down at the bottom. And I would go ahead and click that blue QuickCard or that bluish green QuickCard icon under action. And that's going to take me to my student rosters. Once I'm in, I'm going to go ahead and it'll say generate QuickCards for this class. And you'll see at the top, I've got generate QuickCards, I've got export data. And what I'll need to do is actually, you'll see that first arrow up to the top right. I'll need to go ahead and scroll down most likely on this roster, because down at the bottom, there'll be another side to side scroll bar. And I'll need to go ahead and scroll from left to right. Once I've scrolled from left to right, what it's going to do is you'll see up there where it says their email, it'll end up showing one more category, and that category is going to be the action category. there's two symbols essentially that I can see in this as a teacher. The first one, that black, it looks like almost like a refresh icon. That one basically means that they have not had their initial authentication into ClassLink. So that student has not signed in. Once they've signed in, that will go ahead and that'll change, and you'll be able to go ahead then and print their QuickCard. But again, if you see that, it just means you're going to have to log in one time as that student into ClassLink in order to authenticate it for a QuickCard to print. You see the one underneath it, there's three symbols. If you see that, that means that that student has logged in one time to ClassLink, and their account has been authenticated. So again, they have a QuickCard, it's ready to go, and the teacher can generate a QuickCard and print it. So if we go back to, once that's done, I just wanted to explain those symbols. And again, that would be right to the right of where it said email. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and come back to this screen where it says generate QuickCard, export data, and there's actually going to be one more option. It's going to say print. And that's where if you want to print your class set of QuickCards at any point in time throughout the year, you'll click that print button. And then basically it's just going to walk you through printing like any other PDF. You'll go ahead and select your printer, hit next, and print your QuickCards. You can cut them out and distribute them. So again, the big thing with this is just make sure that you have done a one-time sign-in for each of your students. I understand this is going to take, if you have a class of 25 students, it may take you 5 to 10 minutes to do. However, again, the ease of this and printing those QuickCards is definitely going to be worth it. And then you can manage these QuickCards from here on out. So good luck printing your QuickCards.